Anything that anyone wants to ask now? Anything that anyone wants to ask now? Please raise your questions. Now we are moving ahead to the second part of your today's class. First part was related to your CCT 6 and CCT 7 exam. Is there any query based on it? So please ask. Please ask students.
Ma'am, can we do... Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, can we do CCT 7 after a break of at least 5 hours after doing CCT 6?
Of course, yes. You can do it. You can do it. You can, as it is, even if you are doing your CCT 6 exam, within that particular exam, if you wish to have breaks in between, go ahead. But please save it. So doing CCT 6, doing CCT 7 after a gap of 5 hours, of course, yes. When within one exam we allow you, we are giving you time to have a break, of course, yes. So is the case even with your second exam, if we talk about CCT 7, right? Right, students? Yeah, please ask your query. Please ask your query. Once again, in nutshell, I'll explain you, because most of the students I can see now that they have joined us. Your CCT exam 6 and CCT exam 7. This is basically your critical thinking based skill testing exam. How creative you are when a situation is given to you. We don't have any syllabus for it. Your 15 years of school education should allow you to put things into practicality. Application based questions. You will be getting application based questions. So which is why there is no syllabi. There is no syllabus for it. Second thing, your exam CCT 6 and CCT 7, they are divided into 4 parts, in which the first part is all about MCQ based. Second part is based on your short answer type question, which may ask you to write in a word or write in few words. Part 3 is all about open-ended questions. Part 4 will talk about yes or no. Either you have to be in favor of a particular thing, or maybe you are not in a favor of it. So yes or no based questions. So last part is close-ended. Third part is open-ended. Right, students? So this is what is the basic structure. If you wish to leave a paper in between and to go ahead with your certain tasks, we allow you, but under certain riders. And the first rider is that you have to save your answer before moving on. Alright? And last thing, once when you are submitting your last question, please lock it properly, and then it will be submitted. Finally, it will be submitted. Right? Anything else that anyone wants to know about your CCT exam that comes under PISA? It's a global exam in which your scoring will be coming based on your practicality, your application based question, no syllabi, no syllabus for it. Maheep is asking me something. What is the duration? Dear Maheep, you don't have any duration of it. Yes, the last date is 30th of October. Last date is 30th of October, but you can do it as per your own ease. I know not enough days are left, but say for example, if you have certain assignments, you have certain classes, so what you can do is, if it's CCT 6 you are giving, and if you have set of 20 questions as explained, you can take up 5 questions, you can take a break, but save those 5 questions, save those 5 answers. After coming back from the break, you start doing your 6th question, 7th, and subsequently your other questions. Right? So there is no strict duration. Like for your date sheet that is now given on the school app, you have 1 hour. Within 1 hour, you have to complete your 2 papers, objective and subjective. Such kind of strict time framework is not given. There is only one deadline, and that is that till 30th of October till 11:59 p.m. you have to complete your paper. CCT 6 and CCT 7. Username and password, they both are same. And it starts somewhere 040017. This your big number that we have given you. That is your username ID and your password. Right, students? If any other query you are having, all right. Welcome, Mahip. Welcome. Anything else? Anything else? Ma'am, after saving and locking the questions, can we close the browser window for a break and come back? Of course, yes, you can do it, because once when you have locked it, it itself tells us that your paper has been, you have submitted your paper. So it itself is a green signal for you. If you wish to continue with your CCT 7, go ahead. And if not, you can break, you can relax yourself, and maybe after few hours gap or few minutes gap, you can again restart it, right? So there is a flexibility of timing, but not, we don't have any flexibility with the date part of it. So the last date for the submission is 30th of October. Time up till what you can submit is 11:59 p.m. That is before 12 midnight you have to submit it. Right, students? Anything else that anyone wants to ask related to CCT? CCT is all about your critical thinking. It stands for critical and it stands for critical and creative thinking test. Yeah, please. Please ask your query. Anyone? Any other query? Ayan, Astha, Lavanya.
No, thank you.
Should we move on to the third part?
No, thank you, ma'am.
Is it all
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
All right, Amani. We'll move on to the third part of the